everyone, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Happiness and welcome to OSANA. And if you've been subscribed to this channel for years, first of all, I want to say a big thank you for still being here. A lot of you probably noticed that I disappeared, then suddenly I'm back again. I felt the best thing to do was sit down and explain where I've been, why I left, why I've decided to return, and most importantly, what you can expect from this channel going forward. Because honestly, a lot has changed. If I'm being completely honest with you, there were times I wanted to come back. Many times actually. I would film videos, then not post them. I would have ideas, then business would just get busy again. And before I knew it, weeks had turned into months, then months had turned into years. But the funny thing is, even when I wasn't posting, I never stopped doing beauty. I never stopped learning. I never stopped helping customers. In fact, over the years, I've probably learned more about skincare, wellness, and this industry than I knew when I was actively creating content. So eventually I said to myself, Happiness, stop overthinking it and just come back. And you know, when I first started creating content, I was simply sharing beauty and skincare products that I sold and used myself. At the time, my business was operating under a different name and life looked very different from what it looks like today. And you know, as the years went by, my business became more demanding, managing staff, managing inventory, managing customers, trying to grow a company, trying to survive the realities of doing business in Nigeria. And somewhere along the line, content creation slowly moved to the back seat. Not because I didn't love it, but because I was trying to keep everything else running, trying to hold everything together. Then I started realizing that the beauty industry was changing. There was more information than ever before, more products than ever before, more influencers than ever before. But somehow people were still confused. Every day customers were coming to my store frustrated. They had spent money, they had followed trends, they had bought products because somebody on social media recommended them. Yet they still weren't getting their desired results. And I realized something. People don't just need products. People need guidance. People need education. People need somebody who will tell them the truth, even when that truth isn't what they want to hear. And that realization is one of the biggest reasons I decided to come back. Because after spending almost 10 years in the beauty industry, I have seen things that most people don't get to see in their lifetime. I have seen products that are massively hyped online, but they don't deliver. I've seen products that nobody talks about, but those products give incredible results. I've seen what happens behind the scenes. I have visited suppliers. I have worked with brands. I have spoken to thousands of women who were frustrated because they were spending their hard-earned money and still not getting results. And quite recently, I traveled to Guangzhou, China, where I visited beauty factories, met with manufacturers, and got a behind-the-scenes look at how many products we use every day are actually made. And that single experience completely changed how I see the beauty industry. You know, it opened my eyes to things that most consumers never get to see. And I knew I wanted to start sharing those insights with you. Not as somebody trying to sell you something, but as somebody who genuinely wants you to make better decisions with your money, your skincare, your wellness, and your beauty routine. Now, let's talk about OSANA. I'm always so excited when I talk about my brand because many of you knew me from a different business name, from Smart Organic Skincare to Smart Beauty City, and now finally OSANA. Yes, finally, because OSANA is not just a brand, it's a new chapter. OSANA is a vision I've been building for years. A beauty, skincare, wellness, and lifestyle brand. A brand built around helping people look better, feel better, and make better decisions. And that's exactly what this channel is going to reflect. So going forward, here's what you can expect from me. You will see skincare education, you will see beauty mistakes that are costing people money, you will see honest product reviews, you will see wellness conversations, you will see behind the scenes business content, you will see factory visits and sourcing insights from China. You will see customer case studies, and most importantly, drum rolls, you will get honest conversations. I promise There will be no unnecessary hype, no pressure, no pretending, no lies. Just real experiences, real education, and real recommendations. My goal isn't to become the loudest voice online. No. My goal is to become one of the most trusted voices, because trust is everything in this industry. So if beauty, skincare, wellness, business, and personal growth interest you, then I think you're going to enjoy what's coming next. And if you've been here from the beginning, thank you so much for staying. I truly appreciate it. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification, and leave a comment below. If you've been here since the beginning, comment OSANA below. And if you're new here, comment where you're watching from, because I would really love to know. I want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the next chapter of OSANA. And I'll see you in my next video.